Hello, friends from Stanford. It is my pleasure to talk to you a little bit about my startup, Invictus, that provide coaching services to law students. Our strategy in Invictus is to position ourselves in a way that allows us to provide a better service, much more focused, because we will concentrate our energy exclusively in the coaching service. Many of our competitors, perhaps all of them, sell packages, combined packages of traditional educational material like books, video lectures, and texts, and with certain aspects of coaching. None of them sells strong coaching service. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to do that without having heavy costs with infrastructure. So we have a lean architecture. A PARC framework analysis would show that we have the right people to do that, because we have young, very competent mentors. They have just been approved on the hardest entrance exams to legal careers here in Brazil, and they have the right personalities and they like to interact and to orientate other students. We have problems with our architecture and with our routines, because at first we tried to divide the responsibilities among the three partners, and then it got complicated. We had some disagreements, and this affected our routines. We are still trying to discover the best way to make things happen inside the company. But it did not affect our culture. We have high quality culture. Every one of us cares deeply about the final experience to the consumer, and we have achieved great results in that field. Every single student of us has given us a very good feedback after we work with them. So this is our strong point of Invictus. We have a field and space for lots of innovations here in Invictus. We try to design our routines in a way that they can be changeable. We try to make them adaptable. And we also try to bring in people who are willing to experiment, to make changes, to try new things. We think the personality of the people involved is very important if you want to create real innovation. Some ideas I have to innovate are those shown here. We could try to use a mobile application for smartphones and tablets to control how many hours the students are actually studying every day, to control the materials they are using, the quality of their study, degree of concentration, how they feel, how energized they feel, and also to substitute some of the traditional meetings through Skype that we use today. Other way to change the meetings, the way mentors and students interact, is to create groups. So instead of meeting individually with each student, a mentor could try to orientate simultaneously 3 students who are preparing for the same exam. No, this is an idea. We are still trying to develop it. Other would be making partnership with law schools. Since we have several law schools and many of them do not provide very high quality education or an excellence education, we could try to help them achieving better results in the equivalent to the national bar exams or other exams, because those results are very important to the school, and we certainly are positioned in a way to help their students to get that, to get their approval. Other thing we could do is change our focus a little bit from the national exams, from the national selective process, to the state ones. So we could try to focus on more local tests, local exams, and in this way you could appear differently to the students who are preparing for those exams. Many of our competitors do not have strong programs directed to local exams. Well, those are the ideas I'd like to share. See you.